Hello, welcome back to our channel. To all my viewers and subscribers, I hope you're all doing fine. Today we're going to feature something that is, correct me if I'm wrong. I haven't seen anything like this that's been featured. So it may not be, what you call it, it's a humble and a low-key vehicle or equipment, but it plays a big part in our society. And is the first gear 164 scale diecast metal replica refuse truck, the garbage truck. I remember Greenlight also did this, but I got more interested with the first gear because it has an accessory of a wish chute over there. So we'll unbox it. See? See what's inside. What are its features? Okay. Let's see the box. So this one is a Mack truck. Mack LR with McNeil's Meridian front load refuse. Okay. So it comes with the instructions here. So we'll zoom it in. Okay. So it has all the working features. Okay, so it says there, do not force the refuse body rear door to open more than 45 degrees. So there's a warning here. This is not, most of the things that we feature here are not a child's toy. It's adult collection. They are models. Scale replica. Okay, let's see if there are any tips. Okay, we'll zoom it out. Okay. Okay. Ready? Jalan. Okay. So let's see the model itself. It's heavy. It's solid die-cast. So everything is die-cast. Of course, the cab is die-cast. Chassis is die-cast. The underside is also die-cast. Very good quality. Of course, rolling rubber wheels with chrome mags there. Wow. And detailed cab over there. Why there are two steering wheels? I see it. Two steering wheels. See? There's a left and a right. So this can be driven left hand or right hand, right? Wow. So this is a Mack truck, right? Okay. In the airport where I work, I see this refuse truck, but the one they had was this rear loading type, not this front loading type. So So you can see the markings, they are very legibly done. Say the markers there. There's a caution, and look at those tail lights. There's a toolbox there. Let's see, and you can see the hydraulics that opens this. Yeah, okay. So the mud flaps is also rubber, PVC rubber. So you can see the inside. See that? Okay. Now we close it. And paint is excellent. Outstanding. So it says, the slogan is like recycle right for tomorrow. Very nicely done. There's a smokestack there. It's chrome, and it has a side mirrors. Cab is sealed. There's a window, sealed window. There's even a fire extinguisher there. And a chrome tank, fuel tank. The air cleaner. It's also done in separate parts. The steering wheels, of course, is positionable. Front steering wheel. Detailed under chassis. You can see the gearbox, the propeller shaft, the tandem axle. You can see the the differential, and the transfer is propeller shaft. They're also very detailed. These pneumatic tanks here. There's even, what is this? There's some hoses. Wow, they're really nicely done. Okay, so let's zoom it out. Let's see how this works. Okay, you can see the hydraulics. So this one goes, this one goes. Oh, it's also have a hydraulics. Look at that. Look at that. And bring it up, huh? Okay, I'll hold it down. You can see the hydraulics. Huh? See? This is what I like with trucks. Collecting 1:64 trucks. They have many working features that you cannot get with the cars. Yeah, cars is just position them and admire them for their beauty. But if you want working features, of course, trucks have it. Okay, so now what is this? Oh, it even comes with the separate mirrors, just in case the mirrors attached or get lost or broken. So this is the, I think this is also die cast. It's die cast. Wow, that quality, huh? Die cast. So you can see the bin. Okay, so how is this? So it's like this. Okay. Okay. Then it will dump like this. Whoa, what a nice working feature. Whew. You seen it? Huh? See? It works just like the real thing. Then come down. Okay. Very nice. Oof. It's worth it. I remember Greenlight also came up with this, but I think they have a front loading and rear loading also. But I chose this first gear because I think this one is has a more working feature, and I think the Greenlight is because of the price point. Maybe the rear of this the truck will be plastic. So for a little more, I chose this first gear, and it was worth it. Okay, what else? Of course, also have a detailed front end. There's lights, no? Separate pieces, lenses. Okay, the Mac brand is very legibly done. There's wipers, windshield wipers, very detailed. Excuse me. Okay. So thank you guys again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll be back for more. Please stay tuned. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye.